Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Okay, students, the chapter that we were doing last time, you can see on your screen in your Google Classroom that on 20th of August we had the last class, and the 20th was Thursday, on which we had the last class, in which we discussed about the Audacity. Audacity, you know very well, okay, this is the current chapter that we are doing, chapter number 5. It is basically about audio editing using a software called Audacity. And I had shared with you the whole procedure, okay, in the last week when we started this chapter. Okay, basically Audacity is actually the software in which we have got a number of options to edit with the sound and audio files, the recordings, the playback, how to apply effects. All these things are there that we can do in the Audacity software. Acha ji, all the students will keep their cameras closed. Keep your cameras closed. And let me know now by raising the hand. Otherwise, I will understand that all the students have done. By raising the hand, let me know कि is there any student who has not installed Audacity software? Who has not installed Audacity software yet? Because if you will not install, keep in mind that you won't be able to understand the concepts, you won't be able to do it properly. Because the thing is that when you have a software, then you can do the practice in a better way. Okay. So let's suppose when we studied the chapter which was basically about HTML. So I told you that HTML you can directly run in the Google Chrome or in the Internet Explorer. So there wasn't any need of any other particular software. So I asked you to do it in the Notepad, type the text or the coding in the Notepad and see the output in the Google Chrome. So that's why you did practice for it, and able to you became able to you know apply all the tags that we studied in the last chapter. And you know that the last chapter was basically uh, about the HTML5, tables, frames, images, tables and frames. Mainly it was about the tables, audios and frames in the HTML. So this was the chapter that we did last time. But over here, when we started, I said that you will have to install a software, Audacity software, and I shared with you the procedure. Here is the procedure. I think the procedure would be given over here. Okay, how you can install the software, download and install. I had shared the procedure, and I had shared with you the link to download this Audacity file from the internet and how you can install it. So I had given you regularly. I am giving you the recordings of the lessons which are there, so that if any student is there, let's suppose if he has missed the class due to any reason, can go through it again by going through the different topics that what we have studied. Getting this point? So Audacity is comparatively different thing. So that's why I ask you, okay, there should not be any student who has not installed. So is there any student who finds any difficulty while installing, or who did not find the audio link, the URL in order to install Audacity in your PCs? So please raise the hand and ask me if there any such kind of issue. Because after the completion of the chapter, if you will say that you did not practice, so definitely you are going to lose all these things. Acha ji, who is this student? Ayan Raza. Ayan Raza, unmute your mic.
जी
Yes,
सर
Ayan, you are in which class?
P3B.
After how many days you have joined the class?
Yes sir.
After how many days you are in the class?
Sir, it came 20th August, Thursday.
And before 20th August? You are
Yes sir,
regular.
I was Sir, I missed a couple of classes.
A number of classes you have missed, and
Yes, sir, but
you have not mentioned the class in front of your name. Leave the class and go and mention your name before joining. Okay.
okay.
Is there any student who has not mentioned the class after the name? Then should mention, leave the classroom and join again quickly. Yes, Maz, you want to ask something? Yes, Maz.
Sir, which page are we on and what page should we open?
Yes, Maz.
Which page should we open?
That I am going to start. Okay, ji. So we are going to the chapter which is basically Audacity, and you know that we have done a number of things that we have already done. So I have already given you the description about these all things, and I have told you how to use these tools. Okay. For example, first of all, we discussed about the transport layer, which has got, open the book and come to the page number 83. 83. Transport layer, which contains the pause button and play button and record button, next track, previous track. This is basically called the transport toolbar. Then we have discussed about the toolbar, which is basically the mixer toolbar, which is used for the input for the mic and the output for the speaker. So this is called the mixer toolbar, which is used for the volume levels for playback. Okay, for the volume levels, and we have discussed that in the audio, in the Audacity software. This is basically the mixer toolbar. Acha, you will have the questions in your board exam, in your school exams, about these all types of things that we are discussing right now. So this is basically the mixer toolbar, that is basically for the recording and the playback options. The recording and the playback options are there in this mixer toolbar, which is given and on your books page number 83. So you may be asked, what is the purpose of the mixer toolbar? It is used to increase or decrease the volume levels. Okay. For example, if you are going to play back for an audio file, so you can increase this by over from here, from this option, and you can decrease it from this option by this speaker option. Okay, speaker option is there. And when you are recording it, then you will use the mic option. This is the mic option using which you can increase or decrease it. So these are basically the two options available over here. These are the options that we had discussed about. Yes, Hassan Faisal, you want to ask something? Hassan. Yes, Hassan. I have unmuted your mic. Yes. Sorry, I am unable to listen to you. Acha ji. So as I have told you, कि whenever we have got any playback, अच्छा playback में, for example, take an example. I am going to open one file over here. Let me go to my Audacity folder where I am saving. Yes, students. Basically, there was a disconnection in the connection. There was a an interruption, and now we are connected again. Okay, so I was basically explaining you this thing. Whenever such kind of thing is there, when we are not connected, or we are our connection is lost, so you will not do anything, just keep it going on and it will be connected automatically. Otherwise you will leave the class and then you will have to rejoin. Okay. Okay, I hope all the students can listen to me. Now, I was explaining you the thing, the tool. Basically, the tool was K transport toolbar. We have already gone through this. K transport toolbar is this toolbar where we have got these buttons: pause buttons, button, play button, stop button, next track, previous track, and record button. Now, I was telling you about this toolbar, which is basically about the mixer toolbar. This is basically the mixer toolbar, and there are two important symbols, signs that you can see over here. One is mic and one is the speaker sign. Mic is actually showing you the progress or the status of of your mic. What will be the volume level of the mic? Okay, are you getting this point? And the speaker is basically telling you the volume level of your playback. Playback मतलब जो file है अभी हमारे पास. Let's suppose if I play it right now. Okay, then I stopped. Now if I reduce this playback over here, now if I play button, click on the play, are you able to listen? It is very light. Let me do it stop. थोड़ा सा बढ़ा देता हूँ मैं, थोड़ा सा increase करता हूँ. Let me increase it. Now I am going to play. अच्छा. Now this is basically for mixing for the volume level for what? For speaker. Getting this point? And this is for the volume level of mic. If I will speak now, so my voice will be comparatively low. अच्छा, अब मैं क्या करता हूँ? If I place the background music at this level, and if I want to have my voice, my mic voice at this level, so my voice will be having a better level, and the music behind, which is playback, it will be having a low level, because it is near to the minus sign and my mic level is near to the plus sign. Getting this point? This thing is clear. Now let me record something. I am going to give you one recording over here. Let me click on the record button. Sorry, I will not record over here. Last time I had told you, because I need to record. Let me cut it from here. Acha ji, from where I will record? For record, I will have to go to the tracks. Then I will go to over there, add new stereo track. This is the record track that I'm going to record over here, because audio should play, na? Audio should play. Acha ji. Now over there on this level, as I am going to set this level, so I am going to increase my mic. Okay. And playback, I'm leaving it over here. The playback is here. Acha ji, now let me record. Over here, the background music is being played and I am recording on it. Means the background music is played and I am recording on it. And when you will listen, so you will listen the lesson, and the playback is also going on over there. So in this way, we can record audio with a playback music. This is the way. Okay. Now you can see. Now when I will play it, over here the background music is being played and I am recording on it. It means the background music is played and I am recording on it. And when you will listen, so you will listen the lesson and the playback is also going on. So in this way we can record audio with a playback music. This is the way. Okay, over here you can see that I have reduced the playback audio. I have reduced the level of the playback audio. उसको मैंने reduce किया है and increase the volume level of my mic when I'm speaking. So there is a difference. Otherwise, if I increase the volume level in the the playback, then the playback music will also be at high level, and my voice, you will not be able to listen my voice properly. Getting this point, Keha, what is the use of this tool? Before going towards the next tool, we have already discussed these tools, but why I'm explaining, I'm expecting all these things are clear. If not, then you can ask me anything. Now let me mark the attendance first, and then Acha ji, from Asad Masood to Muhammad Asad Masood to Mars P3C, and then up to Wael bin Huraira, and then up to Abdul Muiz. Acha ji. Okay. So now I think this thing is now clear to you. Just return to the book again. Now, what is basically the thing that is mentioned over here? This toolbar, as I have told you, the mixer toolbar, helps you control the volume level for playback, okay, left sider, and the record right sider for the audio devices selected on the device toolbar. The microphone icon indicates the record volume and the input volume, while the speaker icon indicates the playback or output volume. Now you can see that such kind of things are there that may be asked in your term exams. Keep in mind that the questions will not be from your question and answers given at the end of the chapter that we do normally, because the term exam is going to be online. So since it will be online, so the questions will not be same as it is given at the end of the chapter. There may be some other questions from the chapter, okay, but these will be from the book, of course. These will be from the content that we have studied, of course, but will not be from the questions and answers same as it is from the question and answer that we have written in our copies. So this is the thing that you need to understand over here. While Abu Huraira, you want to ask something? Yes, while.
Yes, sir. Sir, I was going to ask if you will
Loudly,
take
loudly.
any. Sir, I was going to ask if you were going to take any small tests during classes.
I will definitely. I will give you the assignments, just like I am right now. I am just giving you the classwork and the homework, not that much, na? But I will give you some sample test. Okay, inshallah. I am going to upload some sample tests, some MCQs, because the weightage of the MCQs is there, na? There are 25 MCQs and true false, 10 true false. So 35 marks are there for the MCQs and true false. So I am going to give you this kind of test, inshallah. And while it was a great question and a great concern, and I'm inshallah going to give you in the upcoming classes, okay, sample example tests, and you will have to attempt them. Okay, fine. Acha ji, now come towards the tools toolbar. What is meant by the tools toolbar? See over here. The tools toolbar has various tools for selection, volume adjustment, zooming, etc. Acha, ये 6 tools हैं. You can see over here. These are the 6 tools, which are called this tools toolbar. Number one is I shape. This I shape is basically the selection tool. Okay. Number two is basically this envelope shape. ये envelope की तरह थोड़ा सा बना हुआ है ना. This is envelope tool. And number three, this is basically pencil like, so this is called a draw tool. Okay. And over here, zoom, you know very well, when you want to see the wave, so then you are going to use the zoom. Then we have got time shifting tool. This is basically the arrow. Both side arrow is there in the time shifting tool. and there is multi-tool mode. Multi-tool mode का मतलब है we can use them with this tool as well. So the tools toolbar, as I can show you over here. Over here, these are the 6 tools. You can see this. This is basically the tools toolbar. ये tools toolbar है. ये मैंने अलग कर दिया इसको. I have separated it, but I can again place it over there. Okay. If tools toolbar is not visible and you are not able to see, go to the view option. Find out that tools toolbar is open. If the check mark is there, then you can open it from here, from the tools toolbar. Getting this point? अच्छा जी. अच्छा, अब इसमें है क्या क्या? What are the different options in it? Tools toolbar में number 1 is selection. Selection मतलब when you want to select some portion of the playback or even recording, you can select it. After selection, what do? Either you cut it, or you copy it, or you paste it, or you trim it. So these all are the options that we have already gone through. Okay. Why am you telling you again? Because the chapter is now about to over. So I'm giving you the review. Okay, all the things should be clear. Now, if we go to the book again, we will see that envelope tool, selection tool, as we have discussed, that the selection tool is used to select sections of the audio file to edit or play. The envelope tool helps you make smooth volume changes. Smooth volume changes. मतलब ये कि wherever the volume is smooth, so we can increase or decrease it. Okay, if it is smooth, we can change it accordingly. Let's suppose अब ये टू यहाँ से यहाँ तक का जो पोर्शन है, if I am going to apply this envelope tool on it, okay, so I can make smooth volume changes in this way. Let's suppose पूरे पे मैंने क्या किया, वॉल्यूम को चेंज कर दिया. Now when I will play it, and the playback is also going on over there. So in this way we can record audio with a playback music. This is the way. So this is how the smooth volume changes can be applied on it, on the complete wave. Okay. Over here, the background music is being played and I am recording on it. Means the background music is played and I am recording on it. And when you will listen, so you will listen the lesson and the playback is also going on over there. Let's suppose if you see over here in this, in the beginning, you will see that my voice is comparatively high in the beginning. So what I can do, in the early section, I can leave this portion. So if I want to make it smooth, okay, I will select it and then I will go to it and then I can apply the volume level in this way. Smooth volume level. Over here, the background music is being played and I am recording on it. Means the background music is played and I am recording on it. And when you will listen, so you will listen the lesson and the playback is also going on over there. Okay. Now if we go to the next option, which one option is there? The draw tool means for smoothing or irregularities in the audio wave. With the zoom tool, you can zoom into any part of the audio wave and then you can apply the draw tool. Draw tool से क्या कर सकते हैं हम लोग? Draw tool is meant for the smoothing the irregularities. If there is any irregularity, we can make changes. Okay, but definitely in order to see that irregularity, you will have to zoom first. Zoom का मतलब क्या है कि you will see this closely. Okay, you will see this closely and then accordingly you will apply this option. Let's suppose if this is the portion on which I want to apply, I will go to this option, which is draw tool. So draw tool, in the draw tool you will see that to use draw zoom in further until you can see the individual samples. You will have to apply the zoom in. Okay. When we will apply the zoom in, then the further portions will be clear to us. And after applying the zoom in a better way, so that we can see each and every layer over here. अच्छा, अब क्या कर सकते हो? Now over here you will see that this is working now. Which one? Draw tool. Draw tool is working, but it is asking again कि further you will have to zoom in, ताकि बिल्कुल करीब से आप इसे वो देखोगे, and then उसके बाद आप उसको change कर सकते हो. Okay, now let me take the zoom in option in the beginning. Yes, wave is starting from here. अच्छा जी. Now I have taken this draw tool. Okay, draw tool. अब हम इससे क्या कर सकते हैं? We can make changes over here. Let's suppose अब ये जो dots नजर आ रहे हैं ना, मैं ये कह रहा हूँ कि मैं इसको थोड़ा सा if I want to decrease the loudness, ठीक है? If I want to decrease the loudness, so then what I can do? I can do it in this way. Okay, in this way. If you want to decrease the loudness, you can make changes in the wave. Wave को अगर आपने change करना है, accordingly, if you want to make it change according to your will, so then you can do it in this way. Getting this point or not? So at micro level, when you are making changes, now if over here the back, this is the portion that I have changed, that I have shown you over here. What kind of change is there that I have done. But keep in mind, now this thing can be asked you in the MCQs. In order to apply draw tool apply करने के लिए, in order to apply the draw tool, what is required first? Number one, for example, if I say zoom in. Number two, zoom out. Number three, selection. Number four, trim. Let's suppose. So you should know that we have to apply zoom in. We will see the wave closely, and then we can apply the draw tool to make changes in our wave, whatever change there is there that we want to make. Now I am again zooming out to go to that actual position. वापस उसी position पर अब हम आ गए after making changes. Okay, after doing a number of changes in our track that we have got over here, now we have reached the actual position that was there, and now we can see that what is the position. Now if I play, so this some portion will come where I have changed the things. Over here the background music is being played and I am recording on it. Means the background music is played and I am recording on it, and when you will listen, so you will listen the lesson and the playback is also going on over there. So in this way we can record audio with a playback music. This is the way. अच्छा जी, now if you go to the what is meant by the time shift tool, helps you synchronize audio by dragging audio tracks or clips along the timeline. अच्छा, अब अगर हमें मैनेज करना हो ना डिफरेंट पोर्शंस को, ठीक है, तो देन हम क्या यूज करते हैं? हम यूज करते हैं, लेट्स सपोज के इफ दिस इज बेसिकली द वेव एंड आई वांट टू मेक इट इन द बिगिनिंग, ठीक है, सो दिस इज बेसिकली द एरो टूल. यू कैन सी दैट के एरो टूल इज देयर, ये बोथ साइड्स एरोज आर देयर. This is called time shift tool. So by using this tool, what we can do, we can change the audio track here and there. What we can do, we can bring the audio track here and there using time shift tool. Getting this point? पहले क्या हो रहा था शुरू में, in the beginning some space was left and then I was speaking. Now I have removed this space. Getting this point or not? Whenever you select any portion of the file, for example, this is the portion that I have selected. Now I take this time shift tool and I bring it over here. I can bring it over here or over there accordingly. मतलब इसको अगर हमें left to right, right to left, if you need to move any wave here or there from left to right or from right to left, you can do this job in this way. Getting this point, but complete wave will move. If you want to move the portion, then you will have to cut and paste accordingly. Cut paste हमने देखा था कि how we can use the cut and paste. अच्छा जी, then come towards the last one, which is basically called multi-tool. Multi-tool mode allows you to use all the 5 tools together. However, at any given time, only one of the tool is active. अच्छा, multi-tool, this one is basically the multi-tool over here, steric. ठीक है? But definitely when we are using the multi-tool, so what kind of job is there that we are going to do? So it depends. It's better that we should use these tools individually instead of applying the multi-tool. After this chapter, we are also going to have the question and answers that I will definitely, inshallah, give you in your Google Classroom so that you can write in your notebooks. Now come towards the selection toolbar. So, transcription layer. Acha, one tool is there that we have already discussed, which is toolbar. Now, transcription toolbar concept. Which one is the transcription toolbar? Play at speed. The transcription toolbar helps to change the speed of playback. कितनी तेजी से चल रहा है वो ना? Means क्या? What is the speed of the playback? But keep in mind, it is used for the playback. We are applying it on the playback. Depending upon the speed desired, a track can be played slow or fast. Sometimes you know that the music is slow and sometimes it is fast. So we can apply this thing on our track. This is, for example, this is the track. Okay. And as I have told you, this is called basically the tool which is playback speed. Okay, playback speed. Now, and I have shown you that in your book what is the transcription toolbar. This is basically the playback speed toolbar which is used for the transcription toolbar. Transcription toolbars which is used to change the speed of the playback. How we can change the speed. कैसे चेंज करेंगे? अगर हम इसको यहाँ लाएंगे then the track will be slowed, और इसको अगर हम आगे ले जाएंगे then the track will be faster. Getting this point? Over here the background music is being played and I am recording on it. Over here. Okay. So I think this thing is now clear to all of you. And now come towards the next thing, which is basically the selection toolbar helps in setting up precise timing and in selection of portions. ये तो मैंने बता दिया आपको. Selection toolbar is there, which is used to make the selection. Selection toolbar कौन सा होता है? Which one is the selection toolbar? This is the selection toolbar. Selection tool. Okay, this is we can select the portion of the file over here. Now, if you go to next things afterwards, this is another thing. The selection toolbar helps in setting up precise timing and in selection of portions. ये तो मैंने आपको बता दिया of your audio tracks. It helps in setting the correct frames rate for video, for audio soundtracks and LCD audios. So what is basically the correct frame rate? So this is the thing that is basically there. You can see this property. This property will be there, and you will be able to see that the frame rates. Okay. Up to here, if you have got any question, please ask me first. First ask me the question, then we will move ahead. Because our class time is now about to over. So if you have got any question, please ask me first. Nothing is there to ask. अच्छा जी. So